Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're on question number 173 for our DevOps and SRE interview preparations. The point of these videos is to help you get ready for your interview so you feel confident, you don't feel nervous, you feel like you know what you're doing. That way you're just more likely to even to actually pass the interview. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. That's free for you, but it does wonders for my channel. So thank you for that. Okay, so you may remember from other videos that I did some research on LinkedIn based on 35 job descriptions for DevOps and SRE roles. And these are the 15 topics that I came up with. The ones at the top, like cloud, AWS, GCP, CI/CD, are more important than the ones at the bottom, like containers and system design. However, please don't ignore the ones at the bottom. Pay some attention to them because out of 35 jobs, even system design came about 17 times. So it is not nothing. So of course you focus on the top ones first, but also as time permits, spend some time on the ones at the bottom as well. Today we're at number 6 and number 7 is a combination question for Linux and networking. The question today is, what are some of the Linux tools, I messed up the spelling there, to troubleshoot I really didn't do a good job on writing that sentence. So basically, what tools can you use on Linux to actually troubleshoot network problems? This question is not as simple as you think. There's a hidden agenda behind this question from the interviewer. So I will explain that in just a second. Reminder that Floyd Spencer is my advisor. Please take advantage of his 1-hour session. I'm not financially affiliated with him, but he is very passionate about helping people who are on the job market. Please take advantage of that. So the hidden agenda here from the interviewer is this. Of course, you would know some basic commands, ping, press route, ifconfig, all that, right? As lookup. But what he or she is looking for is whether or not you know some more advanced commands, right? So don't fall for, oh, I know this question. There's like 5 things I can do. That is not enough. You should be able to come up with some of the advanced one as well. Of course, there's 3, 6, 9, like 13 commands here. Of course, you're not expected to know 13 commands, but on top of the easy ones, you should at least know maybe 3 or 4 of the advanced ones. So let's go to them, shall we? Ifconfig gives you IP addresses configured on the box and subnets and whatnot. Ping, of course, tests connectivity between 2 hosts. Traceroute shows you the path between 2 hosts. iptable shows you firewall rules configured on your Linux box. UFW is really a nice way of dealing with iptables. You can do the almost same things as iptables does, but it's a nice way of doing it. It's an easier way of doing it. NSLOOKUP for DNS troubleshooting, same as dig. TCP dump is basically a Wireshark on Linux box. You can capture packets and then use other tools to actually look at the packets. IP address command is kind of like ifconfig. It gives you the IP address of the box. IP route shows you the routing tables of the box. LSOF is a list of all the open files from different IP addresses and different processes. So that's really helpful as well for advanced things. SS command shows you all the sessions, and iftub gives you traffic statistics on a particular interface. So you can see who's sending the most packets to you and who you're sending to, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, besides the top 4 or 5, there are many others that you should know. You should definitely know all of them when you're asked about it directly. If somebody says, oh, what does lself command does, you should know that. But in a question like this, open-ended question like this, you should be able to say at least 7 or 8 commands that come to mind. Okay, I hope that was useful to you. And if you have specific questions or if you need more help, please find me on LinkedIn. I will do my best as time permits to help you. And also you can leave a comment below. Again, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and I will see you in the next one.